guys, welcome back. This is your Sunny Trainer Sydney, and today I have a nice and gentle warm-up for you guys. So this warm-up will be perfect for seniors or anyone who's looking for something a little more low intensity. All that you need for this warm-up today is a sofa or a chair. Anything that you can sit on will be great. So let's sit down and we'll get started. Our first exercise today is going to be doing with warming up our neck. So let's do a little side tilt of the head and tilt to the other side. Nice and easy. Let's keep alternating. Smooth and controlled. Great job. One more on each side. Awesome. Let's go forward and back now. So you're going to bring your head down and right on up, look to the ceiling. Great job. Keep breathing. One more. All right, last but not least on the neck, we are going to look to our side. And we're going to switch and look to our other side. Great job warming up that neck and all of the little kinks that we might have in there. Great job. Next up, we are going to do an overhead reach. So nice and simple. You're going to reach your arms over your head, nice and big, reaching those fingertips up towards the sky, and bring it on down. Nice big reach. Bring it on down. Just keep repeating those. Working on increasing mobility in our upper body and getting some nice blood flow going as well. Great job. Let's do one more big reach. Awesome. Next up, we're going to stretch right over the top. We're going to work on stretching out our side muscles, our obliques. Let's alternate. So big stretch to the right. Good. And another big stretch to the left. Great. We're going to do 5 on each side. Take your time. Last one. Okay, we're going to move on to our lower body. So we're going to start by warming up our ankles and our calves. So let's come up into some toe raises. Nice and easy. We're waking up those muscles in our feet, our ankles, our calves. Let's get them ready to move. Two more. Okay, just like we last did, except we're going to pull our toes up so that we're just on our heels. All right, so contracting right here to pull those toes up. Great job. Just bring those toes up as high as feels comfortable for you. We don't want to strain anything as we're going through this. This is supposed to be nice and gentle. Okay, next up, we are going to go into a leg raise. So keep your hands planted nice and firmly at your sides. We're going to do one leg at a time. So extending at your knee to bring that leg out nice and straight. Bring it back down. We're going to go to the left side. Nice and gentle. We're gonna alternate legs. So one on the right and one on the left. Nice pause at the top. Feel those muscles in your quads contracting. We're waking those up. Great job. Keep going. Nice and controlled. Take your time. Let's do 2 more on each side. Last one. Awesome. Next up, we're gonna do a little march right in our seat just to wake up our body, get a little cardio, a little blood flow going. So hands are right at your sides. We're gonna march with one leg up and switch over to the other side. All right, let's do 20 marches total. Keep that core nice and engaged. Great job. Last one. Awesome. Okay, last exercise of the day. We have fully warmed up in our chair, so we are going to do one last exercise. We are going to squat to and from the sofa. All right, so we're using this sofa as support. You can always put your hands down to help you ease back into your seat. I'm going to keep my hands right out in front of me because I want to challenge myself today, but do whatever feels best for you. All right, let's get started. We have 10 total. Nice and easy to standing up and a gentle lower back down. Great job. Let's push back with those hips to sit back into that chair. Awesome. Nice and controlled. Halfway there, let's do 5 more. Engage those abs, so let's tuck that belly button. Two more. Last one. All right, awesome job. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. That was an awesome workout / warm up, whatever you were using it for. I'm so glad that you guys were here to work out with me today. We'll see you guys next time.